Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the time bomb in the Indian Bike Driving 3D game. First, open your in-game phone. Navigate to the cheat code section. Input the correct 4-digit code for the time bomb. Once entered, confirm the code, and the bomb will instantly appear right next to your character. This makes it easy to pick up and deploy quickly for maximum impact in your gameplay. Now that you have the bomb, pick it up from the ground. You can then drive or walk to any location you wish to target. Whether it's a vehicle, a building, or a group of non-player characters, position yourself carefully. When you're ready, simply press the designated action button to drop the bomb. It will remain stationary, ready for its powerful detonation. After placing the bomb, ensure you move to a safe distance to avoid any damage. Once you are clear, open your in-game phone again. This time, you'll need to enter a different 4-digit cheat code specifically for detonating the time bomb. Input this code carefully and confirm it. The bomb will then explode, causing significant destruction in its radius. The time bomb is a powerful tool for creating chaos and achieving objectives. Use it strategically to destroy stubborn vehicles, collapse structures, or clear out large groups of enemies. Experiment with different placements to maximize its destructive radius. Remember, careful planning before detonation can lead to impressive and satisfying results in your game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.